Creating content in Tealbosi involves importing your media files, whether they are images, audios, videos, etc. After that, you can design your scenes, developing your production. With your scene open, access the media menu on the left and click the picture button. This will open the picture manager. Since our movie has just been created, we don't have any files in this list yet. We're going to upload an image in PNG format. To do this, click the Upload a Single File button. Select the file you want to use and click Open. You'll see it appear in the list. If you click on the file name, you'll get a preview in the picture manager. To add the selected file to your scene, simply click the Add to the Stage button. You'll see it appear in the scene, but notice that the image is a square, not in its original aspect ratio. By clicking on the image, you will select it. From there, you can drag it around the screen or even manually adjust its size. Additionally, when an image is selected, you can adjust its properties directly in the panels on the right. In the right area of the Tealbosi interface, you will find various properties. Click the plus button next to Placement to display the position and size properties of the selected image. In this Properties panel, you can numerically adjust the position and size of the selected image. For now, let's click the Use Original Size button so that it assumes the original file size. Then, we'll use the positioning buttons to place it in the center of the screen. In Tealbosi, we call any media added to the screen an instance, whether it's a picture, a video, or any other type. So, what we have on our screen now is an instance of the dog illustration. Let's open the Picture Manager again and add another instance of that same image to the screen. In the right interface area, click the plus button next to Current Instance. Here, you'll see properties such as the name of the selected instance. Click on the larger instance, and you'll see that the name changes. Tealbosi assigns random names to each created instance, but for the organization of your production, it's ideal to change these names to something that makes sense in your project. Let's do this for both instances, remembering to click the Update button to confirm the change. Still on the right interface, click the plus button next to Instances. Here, you'll see a list of all instances displayed on the screen, and you can even select them by clicking on an item in the list. Let's check the second keyframe of our scene. Notice that there are no instances in it yet. When you add media, it only generates an instance in the current keyframe. Go back to the first keyframe and, using the Instances panel in the right interface, select the two instances. You can do this by holding down the Control key or Command on macOS, and clicking on the names of all the instances you want to select. After that, click the Copy Instance button just below the list. Go back to the second keyframe and click the Paste Copied Instances button. You will see that the two instances have now also been brought to the second keyframe. Remember to save your scene. In addition to pictures, Tealbosi supports the import of various other media formats, such as audio files, texts, videos, and even some more complex content, such as entire productions made in other creation software, generated in HTML5 format. We will see in detail the handling of these other media formats in future videos.